Assalamualaikum to all of you. Take out your English book, Star Alphabet book. Now our next alphabet is Y. What is this? This is alphabet Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Repeat with me. Y for yoga. 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 Y for yak. Y for yak. What is this? This is yak. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Yacht ये क्या है? ये yacht है. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Repeat with me. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Y for yogurt. तो आज हमने कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट लर्न किया है? Y. Y for yak.